G'day guys, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back to the studio. It's good to have you here. If you're looking to start a business or side hustle selling on Amazon, and the number one thing holding you back is you're just a little bit unclear about how to research products or how to go about finding those winning products that are doing really well on Amazon, then look no further. I've got a video here, and I've got a series of videos where I'm actually going to go through individual products that are looking really good in terms of numbers. So as you can see right here, I'm on Amazon. I've typed in aluminium reflector, okay, 150 watt E26 socket. Now, I'm not an expert on aluminium reflectors. This is just something I randomly came across about a month ago. All right, the biggest thing that stands out is this one right here. It's got 175 reviews. It's obviously a bestseller. So I'm going to run the numbers on this particular product because I want to find out roughly what it is doing. And as you can see here, 175 reviews, right? This is the 30-day window revenue, right? This is what these sellers are turning over in terms of revenue every 30 days. Well, in the last 30 days it's telling us here, right? But it's telling us $45,000 in revenue. All right, that's not bad for a month's work, a month's sales. It's doing about 100 daily sales a day, as you can see here. It is doing 3,000 monthly sales. Now, the products I'm normally going for are products that have low reviews but good income. So if it's less than 300 reviews, that's a good sign. If it's less than 100 reviews, even better. If it's doing over 5K a month, that's good, right? It's doing good daily sales. The price point is good. It's under $100, which is awesome, okay? Let's look at a few others. Let's actually sort by reviews. And by the way, guys, if you're sort of wondering what tool I'm using, I use about 6 different tools before I jump on a product, all right? So I'm quite, I was going to say, I'm a bit of a stickler for research. And I've been doing this now for many years. I've been in the import-export game for about 10 years, buying and selling stuff, well, actually over 10 years, buying and selling stuff since 2003. And yeah, there's certain parameters, certain things you need to look for, guys. So I've sorted by reviews. And by the way, regarding tools, I have a link on this video somewhere where you can sort of access the tools that I use, all right? I use some tools a little bit more than others. 10 sales here, which is good. 10 reviews, sorry. It's doing 5K a month. Very similar, yep, similar sort of product, right? It's got Prime membership, as you can sort of see there. What is it? So these are the products that really catch my eye. 45K, let's give that a click. All right. As you can sort of see there, 45K, yep, great. All right. So this is it here. Simple Deluxe 2-pack clamp, lamp light, 8.5-inch aluminium reflector, okay? Now it's Prime membership, which is good, $14.98. Now free shipping on orders over $25, or get free two-day delivery with Amazon Prime. Now what Amazon Prime is, guys, and I've talked about this in previous videos, is you pay a fixed fee per month and you get 2-day delivery. Now you might be asking, why aren't people going down to Bunnings to buy this? Why are people actually going online and going on Amazon and buying this particular product on Amazon? It's because of convenience. Amazon have built an amazing business based on the customer, and it's all about building out, well, actually making it all customer-centric and all customer-focused and making it so easy for people to buy online. So that's why Amazon is doing really well. So you look at some products like mugs, kitchen utensils, knives and forks, you look at salt and pepper shakers. These things are actually doing fantastic turnover in terms of Amazon. But why aren't people going down to Kohl's or Woolworths or going to Bunnings or going to Kmart or going to Target or going to the local hardware store to buy this stuff? It's because if you're a Prime member, you could get free 2-day delivery. So you could just click a button, order it, right, and go off in the afternoon, go down to the pub, or go and take your kids to school, or pick them up from school, or go down the beach with your kids or something. But you have your freedom back. You have a little bit more time back. So that's why Amazon, that's why people are buying basic household stuff that you can buy down in Kmart, but you can buy it at Amazon, right? It's way more convenient. That's why normal household stuff, utensils, kitchen appliances stuff, they're doing really well on Amazon. So the numbers, like I said, guys, the numbers don't lie. These are the things I look at. I look at reviews. So it has to have low reviews. It has to be a product where there isn't a lot of reviews for this product. Less than 300 is good. Less than 100, even better. It's got to be turning over money. It's got to be less than 45 centimeters long. Why? Because that's the Amazon box. It's roughly a shoe box, right? That's what it comes in. It's got to fit that little box shape, right? Weight size, less than a kilo, right? 700 grams or less, that's what you're looking for. All right, but you can sort of see here the numbers. The numbers are good. It's a good reflection. Now, obviously, I do a little bit more research before jumping on some of this stuff. I would actually do a little bit more research before jumping on some of these particular products, but it's telling me here it's doing good revenue. It's got good reviews, and I mean, if I wanted to, you could actually scroll down and look at the reviews, right? So it's got 4.2 out of 5, and then I go to 1 star, and I want to see roughly what people are complaining about, right? I want to see, are they giving hints as to how I can better improve this particular product? So, dented, do not use with pets or plants, better clamp light, okay, yes, yes, yes. Let's read more. Let's look at critical reviews, because I want to see what people are doing, or what people are saying for the 1-star reviews, all right? 1 star. Okay, so basically it's overheating. That's what it's telling me, all right? Then it's got a little pricey for the quality, but so far they're working. Okay, so pushing if you get it dense. Okay, so perhaps you can even say to the supplier on Alibaba, hey guys, can you improve this product a little bit better? Can you actually improve this product? Can you make it stronger material, a stronger aluminium so it doesn't dent, all right? So you could do that. Guys, my name's Alex Ryan. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's gonna be a lot more videos out there. If you want to learn how to go about researching, because this is only the tip of the iceberg of what I do, right? But if you're looking to bring in your own brand on Amazon, if you're looking to sell on Amazon, if you're looking for hot product ideas, if you're looking on how to go about like researching hot product ideas to sell on Amazon, then guys, visit my website. The website is in the link here on this video, on this page. Check us out. I actually work with you. I can work with you for 2 years at basically the cost of a cup of coffee a day. That's it, all right? Not even Starbucks coffee, cheaper coffee than that, all right? The cup of coffee a day, you can work with me by my side for 2 years, and I'm doing a training on the Gold Coast in a few months. You may want to join that as well. We do a few a year, but you may want to join me on that training, guys. And yeah, I want to say thank you for joining me on this video. If you know someone who's looking to get started on Amazon, maybe they're looking for product ideas, maybe they don't know what the next step is, please like, share, and comment on this video. Have an awesome, awesome day. I wish you the best on your Amazon journey, guys. Bye-bye for now.